Many accidents occur when workers fail to notice problems that have developed with their ladders. Becoming familiar with the parts of the ladders that you use will help you to make sure they're in good condition. For instance, rungs should be firm and unbroken. To provide a stable base that prevents slipping, ladders should also have sturdy, non-slip safety feet. Make sure that the ropes, pulleys, and other moving parts on extension ladders are in good working order. If you're using a step ladder, verify that the spreader is in good condition and can be locked into position before you climb. Step ladders should also have braces to keep the rails and side supports from swaying. Before climbing a ladder that is permanently fixed in place, make sure that all the rungs are securely attached and that there is no rust or corrosion on the safety cage or the rungs themselves. As you inspect your ladder, fix or replace any damaged parts. If you can't repair what's broken, talk to your supervisor and get a new ladder.